Is Surveyeah a great paid service site, or is it a platform to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have been a member of this platform for quite a few years. And in this updated Surveyeah review, I'll give you an inside look and show you exactly what to expect, because there has been quite a few updates since I first made a review of Surveyeah, and it now has a version 2.0 in many countries. And if you want to know if it will be worth your time and if it's really a way to earn, then I will give you an inside look in this video here. And I will also show you live how I withdraw earnings from Surveyeah, so you can see payment proof. And that way you can see that it actually is a platform that will pay. But that does of course not necessarily mean it will be a good use of time. And I will explain all that in this video here. So before I log in and show you around and show you payment proof, let's then go over who can join Surveyeah. And what I really like about it is that it has platforms and panels in many different countries in the local language. If you go to the registration page, you can see the countries where it's available, and it is a lot of countries. And I will also have more information about the exact countries on my website, and I'll leave a link to that if you want to sit and read and have a bit more time. But it really has panels in a lot of countries, and also in some countries where it can usually be difficult to find a good survey panel to join. Of course, as with all other service sites, the number of available surveys will depend on the country you live in. But overall, it does have a decent number of paid service available. But let's now take an inside look and see more about how it works, and also check if it actually really pays. So let's start with showing the payment proof and go over the payout method so you can see if it actually really pays. And then after that, we'll go into how it works and how you can earn here. So the exact payout methods does depend on the country you live in, but they are very transparent about exactly what they offer in the different countries. If you go to the website, and you do not even have to sign up for that, you can go to the rewards here in the menu, and then you can go through here and see the different rewards they offer in general and the different thresholds in the different countries. For example, you can see they offer PayPal, Amazon gift cards, they Skrill, Western Union and MoneyGram, and in some countries also some gift cards. And you can see very clearly how much you need to earn to reach the payout threshold. So I like they are this transparent about it, so you know exactly what to expect before you join. Personally, I do prefer getting paid via PayPal, so I will now show you live how I withdraw PayPal cash from Surveyeah. So I will just here choose to order reward. This is the equivalent of $25 that I will get here. So here I just need to choose the terms and conditions, and you can see here it can take up to 48 hours to receive my reward. So I just need now to click confirm. And now my reward request has been received, and that is how easy it actually is to get paid here. But I will of course also here on the screen leave a screenshot of the email I get from PayPal that shows that the money actually went into my account, so you can see that I received these $25 into my PayPal account, and thereby see that Surveyeah actually does pay. So as you can see, Surveyeah actually does pay. So let's now go over how you can earn here and if it will be worth it. And it is a service site mainly, so that is the way you can earn here, is by taking paid service. And it is actually not even really necessary to log in here to Surveyeah to get access to the service, because once you've signed up, you will get email invitations when there are available surveys. And it actually also has an app called Opinion app. It is not exclusively for Surveyeah, but it is an app that is connected to several different survey platforms, and one of them is Surveyeah. So if you want to just get easy access to the service on your phone, then you can also do that on Surveyeah by downloading this app. So overall, it's very easy to get access to the surveys. But to get access to the most surveys when you first join, you need to log in here and fill out your profile, and that will take a little bit of time, but you will also get a few points as a reward once you have filled out your profile. So that is the first thing you should do after you join Surveyeah. And in general, it's not the service site with the most paid surveys, but again, that does depend on your country, and it does have a decent amount. And since I first tested it, it has started having more and more surveys, and they are continuously developing the platform. And you can also see now they have in many countries what they call version 2.0. They have not launched that fully in all countries, so it might look a little bit different depending on the country you live in. But that's definitely improvement. It has become more user-friendly. There are more earning methods, and there are more surveys and better rewards. So there is one more way to earn than taking surveys on Surveyeah, and that is by inviting a friend. And you can send an email invitation to them, or send a link to them, or share a link, different places where you want to promote Surveyeah, and then you can earn small rewards by doing that. Once the friend you have invited has completed his or her first survey, you will get 3 points. What those points are worth, that depends on the country you live in, because as you could see earlier, there are different conversion ratios depending on the reward you choose and depending on the country you live in. But overall, it's not a huge reward you will get for inviting people, but a little extra is definitely also nice. And if you join Surveyeah yourself and find out it's really great, then why not invite other people and earn a little bit extra by doing that? So overall, I think Surveyeah is a really great survey panel. It's not the survey panel with the most paid service, but it has quite a good amount of paid service. And I like that it is available in so many different countries with a specific panels for the specific countries. It has great payout methods and they pay out quite quickly. And as I showed you here also, they actually do pay. And in my experience, Surveyeah also has great support, and that is definitely something I really appreciate when a survey panel has. So if you're not yet a member, I would definitely encourage you to check out Surveyeah, and I will leave a link below this video here so you can go there and check it out for yourself. And if you have any questions about it, or if you want to share your experiences about it, then I would love to hear from you in a comment below this video. And if the video helped you, also make sure to like it. And of course, also remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of paid service sites, get paid to sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.